let's go ahead and start up right away. So go to smart port and let's see, getting started rather. So getting started, let's go to MAC address-based ACL and then game console, game console. Game console, we apply this, close, and then game console is not there. So configure the game console MAC-based access control entry setting as follows. Alright, so let's add deny. This is 00041F1111. Okay, address MAC 0000111. Okay, apply. Let's close this. We add, what are we adding? Add 9 user defined, and this is going to be 05421111. 0001111. Click on OK. Close this. We add 3. Let's go 3. We deny this user defined, and then we add the MAC address value 000381111, and this is going to be 0000111. Okay, so I will close and we'll go to 4. Console 4. Okay, deny this user define, no any, and MAC address is going to be 001351111, and it's going to be 0000111. Close. We add, and this is 5. Zero 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 maybe 00000. one. So we apply, we close, and then we go to, let's see, 5th. Well, we're working on 6 now. This user defined, and it's going to be 0125A1111 and 000001111 and apply. Then we close this. Okay, so I guess we're done with this. So let's see. Bind the game console. So let's go to 1 and edit, select, apply, game console, select, apply this, close this, copy settings 1.130 and save the changes to the switch startup. So we save here, we apply, click OK. Okay, so copy and save configuration done. We check answers. So if this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. So let's go back and bind. We didn't bind the game console. So we'll go to the let's see, we need to bind the game console. We'll go to getting started. Okay. The HCP. Let's see. ACL binding port. Okay. So it's number 2. Edit, MAC-based, apply. One, edit, select MAC-based, apply, close. So game console now, copy 2, let's start, see. Let's see. We save this, we apply, click OK. So this is done. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.